Hey guys, today we're going to look at Priority Tire, and I'm going to show you how you can get an exclusive coupon code for them. So Priority Tire is an online tire store. They sell tires of any size, any width, all aspect ratios, and any diameter. So you can see you can shop by vehicle, you can shop by brand, by season, and performance, so you can find the perfect fit tires for anything you're looking for. So to find a coupon code for them, you can go, and we're going to search for couponcove.co. And once we're on Coupon Cove, we'll search for the Priority Tire page. We can open it up, and you can see we have all these coupons to choose from. Today we're going to look at this top code, which is an exclusive $5 off. So we'll click Show Coupon Code. We'll copy the code, and we can click here to go to the offer page. Once we're on the offer page, we'll find what we're looking for. So we can select some tires over here. Once we're on the page, we'll scroll down. We can click Add to Cart. Then we'll choose the options we want. Click Add to Cart again here. And our code's already copied from Coupon Cove, so we can paste it right in. You can see I just saved $5. And so when you're looking for a coupon code, another thing that might happen is some of these codes could be expired at the time. So be sure to come back to Coupon Cove and just check and see if there's any new offers or if the offers are expired. So you can see we also have a 5% off code here, and there's an up to 60% off flash sale page going. And we just want to help you out and give you the best discount we can. And we're making these videos to just show you that we're a small team over here working our hardest to get the best savings for you. Feel free to leave any comments on the video with feedback, questions, or concerns, and thanks for watching.